Hey, Tej here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for AVAX or AVALANCHE. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. On higher time frame we've had two different scenarios. Let's go back into log so we can see actually the structures a bit better. We had this where we had a possible 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 into a primary 1 and then looking for that primary 2. I like this kind of scenario quite a bit since we have this in multiple different altcoins as well, supporting the same scenario where we would have completed something up here around November 2021. After that point we can see in RSI that on the third wave of this last leg of fifth, we can start to put down some kind of trend line here, and we are still within that correction. Until we break this structure here on RSI or this trend line, we can still be looking at more corrections downwards. The other scenario we had was that we had this as a possible wave 1, 2, another 1, 2 here. Now this is getting more and more unlikely as we are going further, but again it is still possible. We have not gotten into the invalidation point of wave 2 here, where the wave 1 started around here at $9.20. At that point again we only have one more higher time frame count left, and that should be confirmed the only solution for now at least. Let's take a look at the structures inside here. For this I think it is better to look these at arithmetic scale. We have a couple of different ones. Let's take a look at this one first. This is saying that we have A, B and C coming down. I don't really like this count too much, just because we have a running flat here. Running flats are rare, especially on higher time frames, I feel like, and have not seen them too much. Overall this would have this same structure here, and we would be looking for 5 waves in this last bit. The other scenario is this one, where we would have this as an ABC into W, WXY into X here, and now we would be looking again 3 waves for the wave Y to end. Inside wave Y we would have again 3 waves in which we would have already completed a possible 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now looking for the 5th here. Let's zoom in a bit. So this is the possible scenario here. On arithmetic scale we can see that wave 3 is smaller than wave 1, so wave 5 should not get beyond the wave 3 extensions here. So basically the invalidations would be right here around $1.40. Hopefully we don't get that low. I've labeled this wave 4 right here as I could not really find any other places for it. This only was working on a logarithmic scale, this scenario. Oh, I don't have it there. Did I delete it already? Nice. Okay, so let's go through that scenario again. So the only way I could place a wave 4 in any of this structure here is by looking at the fib extension tool. We start from the end of wave 3 here, pull it to this structure here. We see that this is a complete 3-way structure, and I don't think we can have it any other way. Then we have to be pulling this back and following all these lows until we get at least that 618 hit, and the closest we are getting is this low here. Of course we are not getting it. We are very close, around 1% away from it, so I would have to accept that this is the place for wave 4. We could have this as a 3 waves down here, and then some kind of 3-way structure here, or a 5 waves. Again, a lot of zigzags or structures that are overlapping with each other, so I'm not going to be labeling this mess here. With the Fibonacci extensions, I am seeing that this is the only possibility for wave 4 to be here. The other option, of course, is wave 4 up here where we had that three-way structure. But again, I'm thinking this first leg here on the wave 2 to be some kind of double zigzag. So that's why I don't want to have a zigzag here as well, as we don't have that alteration then. So wave 4 needs to go here. Now after that point, I am looking for 5 waves. In here, we would be looking this as a wave 1, 2, and then we would look the next structure as 1, 2 of subminute, 3, 4, and currently making the 5th of subminute. Overall, after that point, we would be still looking at this wave 3 of minuet, wave 4, and wave 5. Currently though, I am not quite sure if the wave 4 of this subminute count has already ended. This does look like a three-way move here, but so does this. Possible 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. That would make a really small 5-way sequence if we want to end this wave 5 or subminute here. But overall, this could be just an A, B, and C here. And now, after that point, actually, it would need to end here. A, B, and C. And now we would be looking at some kind of a possible correction up higher. So that would complete our wave 4, something like this. And this wave 4 would end here. Now we don't really have a reason for that, as we have already corrected this previous wave 3 structure more than 32. So it is possible that wave 4 is already in. And now we would be just correcting lower. Now what makes more sense to me, if this is indeed an impulse wave count, we don't have the third here. And we would have a substructure, something that is ending a structure of wave 1 down here, and this would be a wave 2, 3, 4, 5 coming down. So this would be more bearish scenario. I am not going to be bullish on AVAX until we are going to be breaking these highs here of around $18. After that point, we could be looking into higher prices. But for me, we are still looking for at least 2 more lows for the 3rd of minuet and the 5th of minuet to complete the 5th of minute. And at that point, we should be looking at a possibility to see some kind of a divergence between this 3rd here and the 5th of this structure here. Also, we should be seeing on a lower time frame the divergence between the 3rd of minuet and the 5th of minuet. So those are going to be the clues that we're going to be looking at and monitoring on the altcoin scene. Also, of course, we need to be looking at what Bitcoin is doing, and Ethereum, especially if you want to be looking at a bit of a different structure. But that is pretty much everything I wanted to share today on AVAX. If you have other accounts you would like to share, there's a link to my Discord server in the description below. Also, if you would like me to update a certain other asset, let me know in the comments below. For now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.